The European Innovation Technology and Science Center is set to work with the Philippine Economic Zone Authority to provide programs and solutions to allow all PEZA locators to have data privacy. Andre Ko has the story.
The European Innovation Technology and Science Center and the Philippine Economic Zone Authority have signed a memorandum of agreement. With the MOA, the European entity will conduct trainings and workshops inside the economic zones to allow them to be compliant with our Data Privacy Act under the PEZA Data Protection Program to provide cybersecurity to its locators. With the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation set to be enforced on May 25 this year, we have to be internationally compliant with this international standard, according to Mr. Henry Schumacher of the European Union.
Under this law, a company should have an appointed data protection officer and should conduct privacy impact assessments. There is also a need to set in place a privacy knowledge management program, implement privacy and data protection policy, and exercise breach reporting procedures. More of the story with our Bizwatch correspondent.
In Asia, only Japan and South Korea are in advocacy talks with the EU for compliance. It is only the European Commission that can determine whether a country outside the European Union is compliant with its General Data Protection Program. PEZA Director General Charito Plaza is mandating all companies to be compliant with the Data Privacy Act as well as international protocols. PEZA has agreed with partner European Innovation Technology and Science Center to start the program in June in Cavite, which is the Philippines' largest economic zone. It has 350 locators and employs more than 89,000 workers, mostly working for electronics, garments, and plastic company locators. The European entity will provide solutions that will enable locators to assess the risks and processes, introduce policies and controls, and enable them to respond to incidents of data breaches.
Offenses under the Data Privacy Act are punishable by up to 7 million pesos in fines and up to 7 years imprisonment. The European Union can set a maximum penalty of 20 million euros for non-compliance of its General Data Protection Program.